Here are 5 things you didn't know about the Mongol destruction of Baghdad in 1258. First, they threw the entire House of Wisdom library into the Tigris River. Millions of books and manuscripts turned the water black with ink for months. This was the world's greatest collection of human knowledge, gone forever. Second, 200,000 scholars, scientists, and civilians were executed in just 1 week. The Mongols killed everyone they found, sparing almost no one. Third, they used captured scholars as human shields during the siege. The very people who built Baghdad's reputation were forced to help destroy it. Fourth, they killed the last caliph by wrapping him in carpet and trampling him with horses. This avoided spilling royal blood, following Mongol tradition. Fifth, they destroyed irrigation systems that had sustained Mesopotamia for 4,000 years. This single week erased 500 years of scientific progress and ended Baghdad's role as the world's center of learning. The Islamic Golden Age died with the city.